first position is when object is at infinity. When object is at infinity, on that time the image is formed at the focus capital F. Okay, you know very well, the focus is represented by capital F and small f show the focal length. This is the difference between capital F and small f meaning in chapter of light. Capital F represent the focus and small f represent the focal length. So when object is at infinity, on that time focus is image of object is formed at the focus capital F. Size of image is what? Highly diminished, point size. Okay, and nature of image real and inverted. Now come on next point. Second, what is the second condition? When object is just beyond the C. When object is beyond the C, on that time image formation between F and C. You know very well what is the C. C is the center of curvature. I also described what is the FCP in my previous class. So for knowledge of some terms you have to watch my previous video. When object is at beyond C, then image formed between F and C, and size of image is diminished and nature real and inverted. When object is at C, on that time image form at C as well. It means same position image is formed. Same size. How is the size of image? Same size like object, and nature same as real and inverted. Now come on next point. When object is between C and F, it means when object is present between center of curvature and focus, on that time image form beyond the C. Okay, and what is the size of image? Enlarged, means larger than the object, and nature same as previous, real and inverted. Okay, now come on next point. When position of object, what is the position of object? At F. It means object is present at focus, on that time image form at infinity, and size of image is highly enlarged. It means more larger than the object, and what is the nature? Same, real and inverted. Now come on next point. When object is present between pole and F for focus, it means when object is at between P and F, on that time image is formed behind the mirror, and what is the size of image? Enlarged, and nature virtual and erect. This is the difference between previous all 5 type and 6 type.